As a result of the overwhelming support and feedback on my Zote video, in today's video, I'm actually going to be covering some of the most amazing Hispanic cleaning products that you probably don't even know about, and they can be purchased in your regular grocery store. Oh, this is in Spanish. Starting off with the first product, keeping with the bar soap theme, Lirio Laundry Bar Soap. Lirio is another great traditional Mexican cleaning soap. It's known for its cleansing, degreasing, and also its antibacterial properties. I'd say Lirio Laundry Soap is very similar to Zote soap in the way that it functions. However, it does not have that citronella scent that the Zote soap does. This is like a very classic clean soap bar smell. Lirio is also formulated with sodium tallowate, so it does have tallow in it, which means it's going to do a really great job degreasing, cleaning. This can also be used on skin, believe it or not. So when you're using it for laundry or cleaning purposes, you don't have to worry that it's going to be harsh and dry your skin out, because it's actually formulated with glycerin, so it's going to attract moisture to the skin. And there are some versions that sell the Lirio soap with sulfur. So sulfur has been widely used for acne, and so it may be great for that. However, if you're going to actually use it for your face or your body, just do a little test first, because you never know how these ingredients will interact with you. If you're ever at the grocery store and you see Lirio, give it a try. The next bar soap type cleaner is called Hispano, and this is from the Dominican Republic. And unlike the bar soaps that we've seen before, this soap comes in like 2 round shaped discs. It does contain fatty acids as its main cleaning agent, which could be very similar to the tallow and the other soaps. However, this is considered a more natural approach or a natural type cleaner. Now, they say that this is safe to bathe in, to wash your hair and your skin with. I would proceed with caution. This is marketed as a household soap, and personally, I would feel more comfortable just using it for that. But again, this is a really great tool in the laundry room to remove stains, to degrease items, just to have it around. If you're in a pinch for some laundry detergent, you can go ahead and grate this and then just add it to your laundry machine. It has been shown that these are safe and okay to use in HE washing machines once in a while. I would not use this as your main primary source of detergent, but it is definitely handy to have. If I had to choose scents, I would probably go with the Lirio scent, being a little more neutral than the Hispano. All right, moving on to something a little bit different. This is Foca. This is a liquid laundry detergent, and you might say, like, what's the big deal? I can get laundry detergent at any aisle. The great thing is this is extremely cost effective. It's very scented, it's very perfumey. It doesn't smell anything like a Tide or a Gain. You know what? This smells a little bit of like that baby shampoo. It's like a very strong baby shampoo scent. The cool thing is that there are very few ingredients in here. It's water, anionic tensioactives, perfume, water, hardness removers, optical whitener, and blue 199. It's inexpensive. I don't know how well it's going to clean. It doesn't seem like it has very many enzymes or cleaning agents in here, but this seems to be a fan favorite from those who have experienced Hispanic cleaning products. So, and the fact that it's very, very inexpensive is a plus. The fragrance is there. That's definitely there. I already bought this, so I'm definitely going to use it. It's not going to go to waste. I'm going to end up washing a few loads of laundry with this until it's gone. If you've used Foca and you have personal experience with this, let me know down in the comments below, because I'm curious to know if a detergent with so few actives, maybe the anionic tensioactives are the enzymes that I'm just not aware of, but just curious how well this actually works. Another really great inexpensive detergent option is this Roma. This is probably going to be the most cost-effective detergent you're going to find. So the ingredients in here are also very basic. We have linalool, anionic surfactant, water softener, soil suspending agent, that doesn't tell you very much, optical brightener, and perfume. So this is also very basic, very few ingredients in here. It does look like it has that anionic surfactant, which is a cleaning agent, but if you are tight on money, you're on a budget, and you just want to get your clothes clean, this is such a cost-effective option. As far as the smell goes, it's like a very clean, very light scent with maybe like a touch of like a citronella vibe, but very, very, very light. It's almost like the smell is almost non-existent. If you're looking for a really great alternative option that is a lot more cost effective and widely available, definitely give Roma a try. Okay, the next two products I've actually been using for years, not knowing that they were Hispanic products. I've been using them and absolutely loving. Not all places have them, but Walmart almost always carries this. And it is this Ariel laundry detergent right here. This smells incredible. Out of all the laundry detergent that are powders, this is by far my favorite. I had no idea this was a Mexican product. It literally smells so good. This one has Downy in it, and this is made by Procter & Gamble, but this is the Mexican version. So I'm not sure how it works. I think they distribute all over the world, but Procter & Gamble, of course, makes Tide, Gain, all those popular detergents. This is the Hispanic version of it. They call it Ariel. I just remember seeing this at a discount store one time. I gave it a try and I was hooked. So if you're someone who uses dry powder detergents, this is something to definitely give it a try. I can smell it from inside the bag. I haven't even opened it. I've used this for so many years. And so if you're looking for a detergent that does have enzymes, this powder detergent does have enzymes in it. This is definitely something that's going to do a deeper clean for your clothes versus like the Foca right here. Although this is great, I don't think that it has enzymes in it. If you know anything about laundry detergents, you want a detergent that has enzymes in it because that's what's going to break down any like urine, pet smells, food. An enzyme is going to get the job done versus just some cleaning agents. They will deodorize and refresh your clothing. Enzyme will do a job to get a deep clean. Now, the next product, I don't have it with me because I literally just threw it in the trash because it's an empty bottle, but it's a Suavitel fabric softener, and I get mine at the Dollar Tree, and my absolute favorite one is the Morning Burst. It smells like a divine, expensive luxury perfume. It's fantastic. I've been using this for years. I wish I could find it in a larger bottle, but for now, I only find it at the Dollar Tree in those little tiny bottles, and I go through a few a month. Again, when I was using it, I had no idea that it was a Hispanic product, but it is literally a top tier laundry fabric softener because number one, it gets my clothes super, super soft. It smells amazing. It's very inexpensive. And I just keep going back to it. Anytime that I'm kind of tired of my Downy, I go back to Suavitel. So I love the smell of clean laundry. And I know that after a while, your nose gets used to the same smell. So what I like to do is I like to alternate my laundry detergents as well as fabric softeners. So as soon as I feel like I've used the Downy and Tide combo for a little while, I go ahead and I switch to the Gain and the Suavitel combo. And I just absolutely love the smell of it. And of course, I didn't want to end the video without mentioning Fabuloso. Fabuloso has been around for so many years, and I know a lot of American households are already using it. I've used Fabuloso in the past. I love Fabuloso. I just can't get behind the super strong smell of it, but it is a fantastic cleaning agent. Well, that is all the Hispanic cleaning products I'm talking about today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've used any of these products, or if you have a Hispanic cleaning product you'd like to recommend, make sure you leave me a comment down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one.